Hello and welcome to this tour of an extraordinary 3-bedroom apartment, fully upgraded in the 7th Heaven Tower in Barari. You see we've got a beautiful open flowing kitchen and dining area with an upgraded to our left wall with storage and places for art features and drinks. Kitchen's fully fitted with Miele appliances. And we have a maid's room here being used as a study. Ensuite's just here on my right. As you can hear straight away, the music follow us through the house. This property comes fully furnished with built-in sound system, which we can see a little bit later. Immediately you can see the quality in furniture, as well as design and thought. Floor to ceiling windows, letting a lot of natural light into the property as we go through to this beautiful living area. Literally like something from an art magazine, of which it has in fact featured in an art magazine recently. This fireplace is a really standout point of the property. Even the walls have been painted with a certain type of paint, which only 2 people in the whole of Dubai can do. Very hard to acquire. Guest bathroom. All 3 bedrooms are en suite. This room's been used more for a social space, an informal living area with TV, built-in Bose systems. Again, incredible furniture, beautiful artwork. Bedroom 1 of 3. Let me just take you out onto, again, one of the unique selling points and bonuses of this apartment. A huge terrace. We'll go down there a little bit later, but check this out. Super private, fully covered in greenery, encapsulating what it means to live in Barari. Great size, great space. Beautiful bar area, superbly presented. Again, very green, very private, no neighbours looking in from any direction. A one-of-a-kind apartment, stretching almost 5,000 square feet again. Let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. So we follow through to the right. We find 2 more bedrooms with upgraded wardrobes. Check that out. Very stylish, professionally done to a really high quality. Again, bathrooms, beautiful. The apartment's still minimalist. Feels like a house, the size. The apartment's still minimalist. It's easy to come in and put your own touch on these apartments if you wanted to. But really, this flawless apartment's ready. No changes need to be made as we go on to another terrace space, which overlooks the parks. Kids park just down here. Ashjar. Again, not overlooked by any neighbours. Lay 8 to our right is going to be finished in the next couple months. Perfect. Let's head through to the final bedroom, the master bedroom. Very exciting. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Again, built-in wardrobe space. Unique to this apartment, fully upgraded, beautifully presented. Incredible. Lots of wardrobe space. and the master bed itself. Sitting on a corner plot. Again, privacy, natural light, and superb finish throughout. His and her sink, bath, and toilet. For more information, please get in touch. Let's arrange a viewing and get here quick, because this will go for sure.